Nobody enjoys vacuuming. And there was a day when the autonomous cleaners were more trouble than they were worth. However, today's options are totally different. For example, take Roborock Q5 Plus, which can effectively clean your space, works fine with a virtual assistant, and automatically empties its own dustbin. And with an affordable price, this robot vacuum is a good option for budget junkies. So today's video is all about Roborock Q5 Plus, and with that being said, let's get into it. Starting with navigation, it uses similar technology as the Roborock S series. Yep, you guessed it right, the LiDAR navigation. It allows the robot to draw an accurate virtual road map by using multi-level mapping and obstacle avoidance tech. All work together to keep the space tidy without making any mess. Now, let's talk about efficiency. Here, Roborock does a great job. Because of the 2700 Pascal suction power and scratch-safe brushes, it cleans any type of floor profoundly and effectively. That will surely leave your jaw open after you see the satisfying result. Sad but true, this Q5 model of Roborock does not come with a mopping system. It will make users think twice before purchasing one, as there are a lot of robot vacuums available on the market that have a mop feature. It's true that features, specs, and benefits Roborock brand offers is noticeable and deserves some compliment for sure. Apart from that, if you need a robotic combo vacuum, then we suggest giving the Roborock Q7 series a try. There's no such a big difference in the price compared to Q5 Plus and Q7. Moving on, the Q5 Plus stores it all in a 2.5-liter large dock with its auto-empty feature. That way, it's ready to go for the next cleaning application. The manufacturer claims that the dock station can handle messes for up to 7 weeks before it needs to be emptied. It's also a premium feature as the Roborock S7 series. Another premium feature is that this RoboVac is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, and most importantly, Google Home. That means you can magically control your robot without leaving the comfort zone. Impressive! This smart vacuum cleaner runs with ease, all thanks to its large 5200 mAh battery that does the biggest job in your absence. And on a single charge, it can run for up to 180 minutes straight without any technical hiccup. Even more, the robot vacuum also can complete a circle easily. Then, if the battery is low or the dustbin is full, it'll automatically return to the dock for the next cleaning session. Okay, so now you may be wondering, should you get it? Yes, of course. The features, specs, and overall performance it offers at this price point are literally insane. Though the absence of the mop is unacceptable, its cleaning efficiency with premiumness works like a bandage. So, that was all about Roborock Q5 Plus. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.